Welcome back, team. Next part of our analysis is related to creating competitive analysis. So it is clearly shown that here we have values 0 to 5. Like we give 0 for the best, worst, and 5 for the best. And these values are generated for customer requirements. Okay. So with respect to, like, these are our company, like product 1, product 2, product 3, product 4, like some XYZ product. You can name, for example, if it is a Google car you take, like, okay, if your product is Google car, you can hold some other competitors who are having the cars. Okay, it can be a normal car, or you can go for like it can be a normal car, or it can be a self-driving car. Okay, if you are creating a fast food center, maybe it can be another big hotel or small hotel. It can be anything. Okay, fast food center for fast food center. For robotic things, you can cross check underwater some other products that are related to one. Otherwise, you can say product 1, product 2, product 3, product 4, product 5 in that way. Okay, need not to worry about it. Just try to give more specific names to the competitors. If it is not possible, don't worry about it. You can give product 1, product 2, product 3, product 4 in that way. Okay, or service 1, service 2, service 3, in that way you can give. All right, so just continue this activity. So I guess rather than like including everybody, including values over here, it is better if people can do it in another sheet, in a new worksheet, to complete this activity. Okay, so let me finish it here. Later I will explain you how to do it on our own Excel sheet related to the competitive analysis. Okay, chalo, let us describe our like we have some values, some characteristics over here, right? So we got 4 characteristics. So I can't hide these things. This is a template, so it is becoming difficult. So let us see for first one. For first feature, what is uh, what is the value, like how you can rate your own product with respect to the better quality when it is between 0 and 5. 0 is for worst and 5 for best. Okay, so I will give value 3 maybe. Okay, so let us give 3. It already started, the graph is already started, and it will show how it is working. Okay, next, and our company, for our company it is pink color. Okay, so just the way they given in the diagram, like this is how template works. All right, next, for the speed, I say it is 5. We are giving better horsepower. Then for automation, it is moderate 3. And for luxury, I say it is moderate again 3. So this is my graph for competitive analysis. Next, there is another company that is offering 4 for best color. Again, speed, for speed it is 5 again. Then again, for automation it is 2. Uh, for luxury it is 2. So this is how the graph, 2 graphs. By considering this, you can say that our organization is having better value or a moderate value in that way. Okay, so for competitor 3, maybe this is 3 3 3 3. Okay, this is how it is for moderate value. And competitor 4, maybe 2 3 3 2. Okay, next, again for competitor 4 value, it is all about your idea about the product, and whether you say it is giving better option or not. So after plotting all these graphs, what you do is you will explain where we stand in the competition when we compare all these 3 graphs. Okay, this is our graph, pink color one. So when we compare that, when compared to competitor 4, we are less performing, but when compared to the many other competitors in the market, we are doing better. Okay, this is how we analyze. All right, so that's it about this activity, competitor analysis, guys. Need not to do a lot of it looks complicated, but it is very easy. Okay, let us work like how to create our own. See, copy our own competitive analysis graph, copy these functional requirements that are given, control C, copy, and open a new worksheet and copy it. Got it? Then what we do, sorry, don't copy it, just better you copy it from your word book. Okay, so speed, like I have it them here, right? Okay, let me take speed, quality, luxury. Okay, it is already mentioned in your code, right? You just copy paste it. Okay, don't type continuously, like it takes a lot of time. Then again, competitor 1, competitor 2, competitor 3. Okay, your product, maybe my car, then C1, C2, C3, or like maybe Swift, again Qualis. I'm very poor at names of cars. Qualis, what do we have? Oh my god, maybe Tata. So maybe these are one more car, Mahindra, Verno, Verna. Okay, right. So maybe for like I might be rating will be given between what, 0 for worst and 5 for best. Okay, now I give values. So some, what we do is equal to ran between 0 comma 5. So you give manually values, huh? Just for my convenience I'm giving these values. Okay, every time you enter it again it will change for your. So that's why I'm telling you to give better values for your car. Now I am trying to generate graph, insert graph. So you can see that like whether it is giving better graph or not. Chalo, I will remove all these things. Let me check. This is my graph 1, graph 2, graph 3. Okay, this is graph. So for 5, this is speed, luxury, car, or now. Oh my god. 1 second. Guys, now I see that I need my graph for my car, Swift, Qualis, and Tata, but I got graphs for speed, quality, color, and luxury. Okay, so what we should do? Just right click on graph, okay, and right click, select data option. Okay, now here switch row and column. Just click on that, okay, and click OK. If you see that now the values are given and graphs are for my car, Swift, and this is we name it competitor analysis. Come on, yeah, competitor analysis. Okay, so competitor analysis, and this is our graph. Okay, you can add values. You can add values to our graph. That is, my car is blue color one. Add labels. Okay, guys, my suggestion is that don't use random over here. Otherwise, at least for this one, I give 5, 3, 4, 5. So I give value for Varna, I guess. This is my values. Add data table. Okay, this is how it looks like for competitor analysis. Same kind of thing we do for competitor analysis for functional requirements. So what we do is like that is what we call it technical analysis. So what we do is like we write all house over here and we generate similar kind of graph and we try to explain how important is each functional requirement for different products. Okay, that we call computer analysis with respect to technical requirements. Okay, so you do it this one again. Again, what we do like so to make it simple for you, I will explain you again. So color and some other important elements. So that is for next one, time, color fade, shining, en engine horsepower, and cost, and automatic. Okay, for these values again we create we give different values. Sorry, this should be between 5 and 4, right? So now I will generate graph for this one, insert and graph this one, and I see that same kind of problem is experienced over here. I will select that and shift rows to column, row columns to rows. Now we got different values. Again, you can change type 1431. For automation it is almost same, right? Let me give, yeah, I told you one thing, right? So while doing competitive analysis, you're not supposed to give same values, common value for each and everything, yeah? So when it is 5, it cannot be 4 5 4. This is, if it is 2, this cannot be 2 again, this is 1, and this is 3 maybe. Okay, this is 2 and 1 3, and this should be 3. This is 3 means it is 4, maybe 2, maybe 5, maybe 1, maybe 4, maybe, so maybe 3, maybe 2, maybe 5, maybe 1. Okay, maybe 2 3 4 4 1. Maybe 4, right? I will give 3 here, 2 here, 1 here, 5 here. Okay, this is how it looks like. Okay, we are not going to give repetitive values in the data sheet. Okay, so these are the ratings that are given by us, and we see that for this is we call, if you see, give me a second, we name it technical benchmarking or technical competitive analysis. So this is how we generated graph, and for our rather than showing other graphs, you can show your graph, and you can compare it with other graphs. Okay, so that's why we are generating graphs for all the other values, but that is, we can clearly see that our graph, how our graph is progressing. So our graph is my car is blue. Okay, this is my car, and it is giving better technical technically competitive when compared to most of the competitors. Okay, so this sheet explains, first graph explains to what extent when compared to the requirements, customer requirements, what is the status of, what is our organization's status, when, so to what extent we are using, like giving importance to the customer requirements, that can be analyzed based on the graph that is provided. And by using this graph, technical analysis graph, we can say like what is the importance our product is given to the technical requirements when compared to other products, and their importance to the technical requirements. Okay, understood guys? Technical benchmarking we say, or technical analysis. Okay, so this is how we create both the charts. By this, quality function diagram is done. Next we will be working on explanation part. All right guys, we need to include these two screenshots in your design, like in your document. Okay, right.